Hi students, welcome back to R4C learning classes. In last session, we discussed about binomial expression, binomial theorem for positive integral index, general term in the binomial expansion, and middle term or middle terms in the binomial expansion. Brief discussion about it. First, what is the binomial? An expression which contains exactly two terms is said to be a binomial. For example, a plus b, x plus y, x cube plus x square by 2. All of these expressions contains only two terms. Simply these are said to be binomial expression. It is binomial expression. It is binomial expression. Binomial expression. It contains any number of variables. Here there are only two variables. Sorry, here only one variable, here two variables, here two variables. If the expression contains only two terms, then it is said to be a binomial. The power of the binomial is said to be index. Suppose it is this power, whole power 1, whole power 2, whole power 3, whole power 4. This is said to be index of the binomial. Okay, next. Binomial theorem for positive integral index. The rule which can be used to expand any index of the binomial is said to be binomial theorem. If the index is positive integer, we get number of terms n plus 1. In this case, already we proved the theorem. What is the theorem? X plus a whole power n is equal to nc naught into x power n plus nc1 into x power n minus 1 into a power 1 plus nc2 into x power n minus 2 into a square plus so on ncr into x power n minus r into a power r plus so on ncn into a power n. It is a binomial theorem for positive integral index if n belongs to n. Okay, if n belongs to n, the number of terms in the binomial expansion is n plus 1. If n is a negative integer or rational number, then number of terms in this expansion goes to infinite. In coming classes, we will discuss about that number of terms. If n is a positive integer, the number of terms in this expansion is n plus 1. If n is a negative integer or rational number 1 by 2, 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, suppose n is equal to minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 4, in this way, the number of terms in this expansion goes to infinite. Please observe that point. Okay. It is a binomial expansion for positive integral index. Next, general term. The r plus 1th term in this expansion, this is the r plus 1th term, t suffix r plus 1. R plus 1th term in the binomial expansion is said to be general term. Here, Tr plus 1 is equal to, what is the value of Tr plus 1? Tr plus 1 is equal to Ncr into x power n minus r into a power r. Similarly, the expansion of x minus a whole power n means we get alternatively plus minus. Nc naught into x power n minus Nc1 into x power n minus 1 into a power 1 plus next minus. Here in this case, we get minus 1 whole power r into Ncr into x power n minus r into a power r plus so on minus 1 whole power n into Ncn into a power n. X minus a whole power n expansion. Simply, the first value can be expressed as sigma of r is equal to 0 to n Ncr into x power n minus r into a power r. It is the expansion of x plus a whole power n. In x minus a whole power 1, n, what is the expansion? Sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r into Ncr into x power n minus r into a power r. Okay? It is the sigma notation form. Next, in this case, what is the general term? Tr plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power r into Ncr into x power n minus r into a power r. In this case. Okay? Next, general term, okay. Middle term. The number of middle terms in the binomial expansion depends upon the index of the binomial. Index means power n. If n is even, we get number of terms n plus 1, that means odd. If the number of terms are odd, we will get only one middle term. We get only one middle term. That middle term is n by 2 plus 1th term or n plus 2 by 2nd term. Okay? If n is even, then the middle term is equal to n plus 2 by 2nd term, that is equal to n by 2 plus 1th term. If n is odd, we get number of terms n plus 1. N odd, n plus 1 is even. Number of terms are even, we get two middle terms. That middle terms are n plus 1 by 2nd term or n plus 3 by 2nd term. N plus 1 by 2, n plus 3 by second terms are the middle terms when n is odd. Okay. Now, in this session, We start binomial coefficients. Okay, please note this value. Binomial coefficients. Binomial coefficients. In the expansion x plus a whole power n, nc naught into x power n plus nc1 into x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 into x power n minus 2 into a square plus so on. It is the binomial expansion. What is the coefficient of x power n? Nc naught into x power n. The coefficient of x power n is nc naught. Okay. Next, here the constant term is nc1 into a. nc1 into a into x power n minus 1. Okay. What is the coefficient of x power n minus 1? nc1 into a. Please observe this value. Next, plus nc2 into a square into x power n minus 2 plus 1. In this case, the x power n coefficient is nc naught. X power n minus 1 coefficient is nc1 into a. X power n minus 2 coefficient is nc2 into a square. Okay, these are the coefficients in the binomial expansion. But what are the binomial coefficients? The terms only nc0, only nc1, nc2. These values are said to be binomial coefficients. nc0, nc1, nc2, so on ncn are said to be binomial coefficients. Please observe this value. Okay. The coefficients in the binomial expansion, that is nc0, nc1, nc2, so on ncr are called binomial coefficients. Please observe the difference between the binomial coefficients and coefficients. Binomial coefficients are nc0, nc1, nc2. But actual coefficients of the binomial expansion are nc0, nc1 into a, nc2 into a square. Please observe the difference between these two values. Binomial coefficients are nc0, nc1, nc2, so on. But actually coefficients are different. Okay, please note this value. Binomial coefficients. The coefficients in the binomial expansion, that is nc0, nc1, nc2, so on ncm are called binomial coefficients. They are usually denoted by c0, c1, c2, so on cn respectively. Simply nc0 is simply denoted by c0. What is the meaning of c0? nc0. nc1 is simply denoted by c1. ncn is simply denoted by cn. Okay, cn means ncn. c1 means nc1. c0 means nc0. Simple notations. Please observe these values. They are usually denoted by c0, c1, c2, so on cn respectively. Next, properties of binomial coefficients. Next heading. Properties of binomial coefficients. First one, already we discussed about this point. The binomial coefficient NCR, where it is defined? NCR is defined only when n is positive integer and r is an integer such that 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n. Here r is integer, n is integer, n is positive integer, r is non-negative integer. R takes 0 also. Okay. Here 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n. Please note the first point. The binomial coefficient NCR is defined, or simply NCR is defined. NCR is defined when n is positive integer, n is positive integer, that is n belongs to capital N, and r is an integer such that 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n. Suppose the NCR is in this way. 9C2 is it defined or not defined? 9C2, 9, n is equal to 9, positive integer, r is equal to r value less than n, r less than or equal to n, it is defined. Suppose it is in this way. 9C10, is it defined or not defined? It is not defined, r is greater than n. Okay, next 9C 1 by 2. R means here n is equal to 9, r is equal to 1 by 2, but r is always integer, not in fractions. It is 1 by 2 is a fraction, it is a rational number. R must be integer, it is not defined. 9C 1 by 2, 9C minus 1 by 2, all of these are not defined. Please observe this value. Similarly, 3 by 2 of C 5. Is it defined or not defined? Or C 1 by 2. N must be integer. 3 by 2, C 1 by 2 does not exist. Not defined. Please observe these values. NCR is defined only when N is positive integer and R is an integer such that 0 less than or equal to R less than or equal to N. Okay? Next, second one. NCR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. The formula for NCR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial, or NCR is equal to N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into so on N minus R plus 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 into so on R. Already in last class we discussed about this value. Actually this can be proved in combinations, permutation combinations. We will prove this value in permutations and combinations. Okay, please note this value. NCR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial, or NCR is equal to N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into so on N minus R plus 1 by 1 into 2 into so on R. Simply 9C2 means we find in this way. 9C2 is equal to, what is the value of 9C2? We reduce two terms. 9 into 8 by 1 into 2. What is that value? 4. 4 times cancel. That means 36. Okay, please write examples. NCR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial, or NCR is equal to N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into so on N minus R plus 1 by 1 into 2 into so on R. Example. First one. What is the value of 9C2? 9C2 is equal to 9 into 8 by 1 into 2. Okay. This value is 36. What is the value of 10C 1 by 2? Is it defined or not defined? NCR is defined only when N is positive integer or R is non-negative integer. But here R is equal to 1 by 2. Does not exist. Please note this value. Does not exist. Third one. 10C 15. Here N less than R. Actually, N value is always greater than or equal to R. It is not defined since N is less than R. Okay? Next. Please note this value. Already we know about factorial notation. What is the factorial notation? If N is any positive integer, what is the value of N factorial? N factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into so on N minus 1 into N. Or in reverse order, N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into so on 2 into 1. It is the factorial notation when N belongs to positive integer. Okay? Next. Simply this can be denoted in this way. N factorial is equal to, up to this value is 1 into 2 into so on N minus 1 means N minus 1 factorial. It can be reduced into N into N minus 1 factorial. Please observe this value. N factorial is equal to N into N minus 1 factorial. Again it can be reduced into N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 factorial. Okay. Please note these values. N factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into so on N minus 1 into N when N belongs to N. N factorial is equal to N into N minus 1 factorial, that is equal to N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 factorial plus so on. Next. What is the value of N plus 1 factorial minus N factorial? N plus 1 factorial minus N factorial. N plus 1 factorial minus N factorial is equal to N into N factorial. N into N factorial. Please note this value also. Proof. LHS is equal to N plus 1 factorial minus N factorial. N factorial can be resolved into N into N minus 1 factorial. So, N plus 1 factorial can be reduced into N plus 1 into N factorial. Okay. Minus N factorial. N plus 1 means 1 into 2 into so on N into N plus 1. That means N factorial into N plus 1. So, N plus 1 into N factorial minus N factorial. It is the common term is here N factorial. N plus 1 minus 1. 1 cancel, that is equal to N into N factorial. That is equal to RHS. Please note this proof. N plus 1 factorial minus N factorial is equal to N into N factorial. Next third one. 0 factorial is equal to 1. 0 factorial is equal to 1. Next fourth one. 1 by 2 factorial minus 3 by 2 factorial. All of these are meaningless forms. Factorial is applicable only for positive integers. Minus 1 factorial, minus 2 factorial, minus 3 factorial. All of these are meaningless forms. Please note that value also. Next, third one. Very important. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Proof. Take RHS. RHS is equal to NCN minus R. Already we know the formula NCR. What is the value of NCR? N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. It is the value of NCR. That is equal to, what is the value of R? N is N and R means N minus R. So that is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial means N minus, R means N minus R. Minus of N minus R factorial into R factorial means N minus R factorial. Please observe this value. NCR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. That is equal to N factorial by, here N minus N means cancel, minus R means R factorial into N minus R factorial. A into B is equal to B into A. That means N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. R factorial into N minus R factorial is nothing but N minus R factorial into R factorial. But N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial is nothing but NCR. That is equal to NCR, that is equal to LHS. Please note this value. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Simply, suppose R is equal to 0, what is the meaning? NC naught is equal to NCN. Please observe this value. If R is equal to 1, NC1 is equal to NCN minus 1. If R is equal to NC2 is equal to NCN minus 2. R is equal to 3, NC3 is equal to NCN minus 3. Okay? Next, please note this point. Note. First one. NC naught is equal to NCN, that is equal to value 1. Phi C naught is equal to 1. NC naught means N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. That means N minus 0 means N, 0 factorial means 1. N factorial by N factorial means 1. Okay, NC naught is equal to NCN is equal to 1. Second one, NC1 is equal to NCN minus 1 is equal to N. NC1 means N factorial by N minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. After simplification we reduce. After simplification we get this value is N, that is equal to N. NC1 is equal to NCN minus 1 is equal to N. Next, NC2 is equal to NCN minus 2. NC3 is equal to NCN minus 3 and so on. Very important. That is, the binomial coefficients are in this way. Phi C0, Phi C1, Phi C2, Phi C3, Phi C4, Phi C5. Please observe this value. Phi C0 is equal to Phi C5. Phi C1 is equal to Phi C4, Phi C2 is equal to Phi C3. Okay, NCR is equal to NCN minus R property. Please note this value, very important. Next, fourth one. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. It is also very important. Already we used this property in the binomial theorem proof. In last class we proved the binomial theorem. In that proof we use this formula NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. Very important property. Okay, now we take LHS value. What is the LHS value? NCR plus NCR minus 1. What is the formula for NCR? NCR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Okay, that means NCR means N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial plus NCR minus 1 means N factorial by, here N is N, R is R minus 1. N minus R means N minus of R minus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial. Please observe this value. Okay, that is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial plus N factorial by N minus R plus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial. Okay, here what is the LCM of denominator? Or simply we common this value N factorial. N factorial is the common term. 1 by N minus R factorial into R factorial plus 1 by N minus R plus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial. Please observe this value. R factorial means 1 into 2 into so on, R minus 1 into R. R minus 1 factorial means 1 into 2 into so on, R minus 1. Okay, here r minus 1 factorial, r minus 1 factorial. What is the LCM of these two values? It is the product of up to r terms. It is the product of up to r minus 1 terms. LCM of r factorial comma r minus 1 factorial is nothing but simply r factorial is the greatest value. Please observe this value, r factorial. Similarly, n minus r factorial, n minus r plus 1 factorial. What is the LCM? N minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay? Here LCM value is equal to n factorial into LCM means n minus r plus 1 factorial into r factorial is LCM. Okay, here n minus r factorial into r factorial, how many times cancel? N minus r plus 1. N minus r plus 1. N minus r plus 1. Here n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. R minus 1 factorial, how many times cancel? Plus r times. That means r cancel. What is the value of this? N plus 1 into n factorial. N plus 1 into n factorial means n plus 1 into n factorial means it can be reduced into n plus 1 factorial. That is equal to, this value can be reduced into n plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 minus r factorial into r factorial. N minus r plus 1 means n plus 1 minus r factorial into r factorial. Simply it is in the form of NCR. Please observe this value. NCR means n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. But here what is the value of n plus 1? R means r. Okay, that is equal to n plus 1 CR. That is equal to RHS. Very important. Please note this value. Very important. LHS is equal to MCR plus MCR minus 1. Apply formula. Since MCR is equal to this value. Okay. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. Very important. Next, fifth one. This is also very important. NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. Very important property. NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. Now we take LHS value. LHS is equal to NCR by NCR minus 1. Okay. What is the formula for NCR? NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. That implies n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial by, here what is the denominator? NCR minus 1. We place r as r minus 1. N factorial by, please note this value, n minus of r minus 1 means n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. Okay. That means n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial into, fraction is reversed. That means n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial by n factorial. Here n factorial cancel. That is equal to, what is the value of n minus r plus 1 factorial? N factorial means n into n minus 1 factorial. That means n minus r plus 1 factorial, it can be reduced into, that is equal to n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. Okay. Into r minus 1 factorial by, in denominator also n minus r factorial into r factorial. R factorial can be reduced into r into r minus 1 factorial. N minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial. Since n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, by using that property we reduce r factorial is equal to r into r minus 1 factorial. N minus r plus 1 factorial is equal to n minus r plus 1 into n minus r. Here n minus r factorial, n minus r factorial, r minus 1 factorial, r minus 1 factorial cancel. That is equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. That is equal to r. This is also very important. Please note this value. NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. Next, note point. First one. NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to, what is the formula? N minus r plus 1 by r. That implies NCR minus 1 by NCR. The fraction is reversed. In this case also, answer also reverse order. That is r by n minus r plus 1. Please note this value, r by n minus r plus 1. If A by B is equal to X by Y, B by A is equal to Y by X. In that way, NCR minus 1 by NCR is equal to R by M minus R plus 1. Second one, very important. NCR plus 1 by NCR. Please observe the difference between these two values. N is same N, but R is replaced by R plus 1. R plus 1 minus 1 means R. NCR plus 1 by NCR. So R is equal to R plus 1. Replace R is equal to R plus 1. N minus of R plus 1 plus 1. That means N minus R by R plus 1. Okay? That implies NCR by NCR plus 1. That is equal to R plus 1 by N minus 1. Please note this value is very important. NCR by NCR minus 1 or NCR plus 1 by NCR. Next, sixth one. If NCX is equal to NCY, if NCX is equal to NCY, then X is equal to Y or X plus Y is equal to N. It is also very important. If NCX is equal to NCY, then X is equal to Y or X plus Y is equal to N. Please observe this point. Already we proved that NCR is equal to NCN minus R. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. That means 5C2 is equal to 5C3. 9C1 is equal to 9C8. Is it true or false? NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Please observe this value. 1 plus 8 is nothing but the index 9. 2 plus 3 is nothing but the index 5. Okay. Here NCX is equal to NCY, X plus Y is equal to N. Similarly, 5C2 is equal to 5C3. It is always equal. If 5C2 is equal to 5CX, what is the value of X? X is equal to 2. It is true. When both are equal. That means NCX is equal to NCY, then X is equal to Y or X plus Y is equal to N. Very important. There will be two possibilities. If NCX is equal to two binomial coefficients are equal, then X is equal to Y or X plus Y is equal to binomial index N. Okay. Next example. If NC1 is equal to NC5, then what is the value of N? Here NCX is equal to NCY in form. X not equal to Y. Clearly X not equal to Y. What is the another case? X plus Y is equal to N. That means N is equal to 1 plus 5. That is equal to 6. Okay. Please note that example. If NC1 is equal to NC5, then what is the value of N? N is equal to 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. Next, seventh one. NCR is equal to N by R into N minus 1 C R minus 1. NCR is equal to N by R into N minus 1 C R minus 1. When N greater than 1 and R greater than or equal to 1. NCR is defined only when N is positive. If N greater than 1, it is positive integer. R minus 1 means 0 or more than 0. So 0 or more than 0. So R greater than or equal to 1. NCR is equal to N by R into N minus 1 C R minus 1. Okay. Proof. Now we take RHS value. RHS is equal to N by R into N minus 1 C R minus 1. What is the formula for NCR? NCR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. That is equal to N by R into N minus 1 factorial by N minus R means N minus 1 minus of R minus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial. Please observe this value. N means N minus 1, R means R minus 1. That is equal to N by R into N minus 1 factorial by N minus 1 minus R plus 1 means 1 cancel. N minus R factorial into R minus 1 factorial. N into N minus 1 factorial means N factorial by R into R minus 1 factorial means R factorial. N minus R factorial by R factorial. N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. It is nothing but NCR. That is equal to LHS. Please note this value. NCR is equal to N by R into N minus 1 CR minus 1. It is also very important property. NCR is equal to N by R into N minus 1 CR minus 1. when n greater than 1 or greater than or equal to 1. Next, note point. First one, same formula. NCR is equal to n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1, n greater than 1 or greater than or equal to 1. That is equal to n by r into, again reduce this value, same by using this property. N by r means here n minus 1 by r minus 1 into n minus 2 CR minus 2. Here n must be greater than 2 and r greater than or equal to 2. Similarly, it can be reduced in this way. But again, n by r means n minus 2 by r minus 2 into reduce 1, reduce 1. That means n by r into n minus 1 by r minus 1 into n minus 2 by r minus 2 into n minus 3 c r minus 3. Here, n greater than 3, r greater than or equal to. It can be reduced in so on. Please note that values. Next, greatest binomial coefficient. Greatest binomial coefficient. Please observe this value, x plus a whole power 5. The expansion of this value is nc naught into x power n plus nc1 into so on. What are the binomial coefficients here? 5c naught, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4. Okay now. Next, suppose x plus a whole power 4. What are the binomial coefficients? 4c naught, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4. Suppose whole power 6. What are the binomial coefficients? 6c naught, 6c1, so on. Please observe these coefficients. What is the value of 4c naught? 1. What is the value of 4c1? 4. What is the value of 4c2? 4c2 means 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. That means 2 times 6. This value is 6. Next, 4c3 is nothing but 4c1. NCR is equal to NCR minus R. This value is also equal to 4. This value is 1. Out of these values, which is the greatest value? 6 is the greatest value. Please observe this value. 6 means that is nothing but middle term coefficient. It is the mid value. Please observe this value. If n is even, then what is the greatest binomial coefficient? The greatest binomial coefficient is the binomial coefficient of the middle term. Binomial coefficient of the middle term. Okay. If n is even, suppose n is odd, what is this value? 5c naught is equal to 1. 5c1 is equal to 5. 5c2 is equal to 5 into 4 by 1 into 2, 10. 5c3 again 10. 5c4, 5. 5c5 means 1. Please observe these values. Among these values, which is greatest value? 10, 10. Both are equal. If n is equal to odd, how many middle terms are there? We get 2 middle terms. That middle terms are nothing but this term and this term. We get 2 middle terms. In this case, if n is odd, we get 2 middle terms and these middle term coefficients must be equal. Please observe this value. Okay, what is the greatest binomial coefficient means? The greatest binomial coefficient is the binomial coefficient of the middle terms in the given expansion when n is odd. If n is even, we get only one middle term. That coefficient is the greatest binomial coefficient. Okay, please observe this values. Note this value. Greatest binomial coefficient. Binomial coefficients of the middle term is binomial coefficient of middle term is greatest binomial coefficient. Greatest binomial coefficient. When there are two middle terms, in the expansion, then their binomial coefficients are equal. Their binomial coefficients are equal. Binomial coefficients are equal. Okay. Please note this value. If n is even, then the greatest binomial coefficient is equal to nc n by 2. nc n by 2. If n is odd, then the greatest binomial coefficient is equal to nc n minus 1 by 2 or nc n plus 1 by 2. Here greatest binomial coefficient is middle term. Okay, suppose n is even. What is the middle term? Middle term is equal to n plus 2 by 2. That means n by 2 plus 1. What is the tr plus 1? Tr plus 1 is equal to ncr into x power m minus r into a power r. Here r means NCR means, therefore we find T m by 2 plus 1. T m by 2 plus 1 means NC m by 2 into something value. What is the coefficient of this value? NC m by 2. Okay, if n is even, then the greatest binomial coefficient is equal to NC m by 2. If n is odd, what are the middle terms? Middle terms are n plus 1 by 2 or n plus 3 by 2. Okay, now we find T n plus 1 by 2. It can be reduced into T n minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Please observe this value. N minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means LCM 2. N minus 1 plus 2 means n plus 1 by 2. It is in the form of T r plus 1 form. T r plus 1 is equal to NCR into x power n minus r into a power r. NCR means NC n minus 1 by 2. NC n minus 1 by 2. It is one of the binomial coefficient. Next term is n plus 3 by 2. N plus 3 by 2 can be reduced into n plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So again n, okay, n by 2 plus n plus 1 by 2 plus 1. That means NC n plus 1 by 2. These two are equal. NCR is equal to NC n minus r. By using that property, these two are equal. Okay, very very important. Next small example. Find the greatest binomial coefficient in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 100. Greatest binomial coefficient in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 100. Here n is equal to 100. What is the value of n? Is 100. That means it is even. Therefore, greatest binomial coefficient is even. What is the greatest binomial coefficient? NC n by 2. Therefore, greatest binomial coefficient is equal to NC n by 2. That means 100C, 100 by 2 means 100C. Next, example 2. What is the greatest binomial coefficient in 1 plus 2x whole power 101? What is the greatest binomial coefficients in 1 plus 2x whole power 101? Here n is equal to 101. It is odd. Please observe this value. If n is odd, we get two middle terms. Both of the coefficients must be equal. Therefore, greatest binomial coefficient is equal to NC n minus 1 by 2 or NC n plus 1 by 2. Put n is equal to 101. That means 101C, 101 minus 1 means 100 by 2. That means C50 or 101C51. Put n is equal to 101. 101 plus 1 means 102 by 2. That means 101C51. Okay? Please note these values. Next, standard binomial expansion. Standard binomial expansion. Already binomial expansion means x plus a whole power n is equal to MC naught into x power n plus so on. That value is binomial expansion. Suppose the binomial is considered in this way, 1 plus x whole power n. What is the binomial expansion? Consider 1 plus x whole power n. That is equal to MC naught into x power n means x means 1, a means x. Okay, replace these values. MC naught into 1 power n plus MC1 into 1 power n minus 1 into x plus MC2 into 1 power n minus 2 into x square plus so on, this value. Simply MC0 is simply denoted by C0. MC1 is denoted by C1. MC2 is denoted by C2. NCR is denoted by CR. NCN means CN. Okay, that implies 1 plus x whole power n is equal to 1 power anything is equal to 1. C0 plus C1x plus C2x square plus so on CR into x power r plus so on CN into x power n. This expansion is said to be standard binomial expansion. 1 plus x whole power n is equal to C0 plus C1x plus C2x square plus so on CR into x power r plus so on CN into x power n. It is said to be standard binomial expansion. Please note this value. Standard binomial expansion. In this case, the general term is TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into x power r. CR means NCR into x power r. Similarly, 1 minus x whole power n, we get alternative plus and minus. That means C0 minus C1x plus C2x square minus so on minus 1 whole power r into CR into x power r plus so on minus 1 whole power n into Cn into x power n. Similarly, 1 minus x whole power n is equal to, in this case, general term TR plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power r into NCR into x power r. Please note these values. Both of these are said to be standard binomial expansion. Both of these are said to be standard binomial expansion. Okay. Please note these two values.